Welcome to Sweet Nanny's Designs.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Remember to subscribe. Today is putting my pantry together. Putting all of my goodies, all this. And let's try and see what works out.
I started drinking these alkaline water. They're really good. So I decided to make this my beverage section. I'm now going to start putting the sodas up. I don't have that much sodas. I'd rather drink fruit juices. These sodas are just for guests whenever they come over. But with now, people are not coming over, I don't need to have that much. The beverage section turned out pretty great. Now let's try to see how the dry goods section works out. These are my OXO containers that I purchased at Costco on sale. Containers are washed and ready to be filled. I like using these containers. It keeps the pasta much fresher and longer. Especially, I can actually see exactly how much pasta I have left, so I can be able to buy more. Pastas are all filled up and now ready to be put on the shelf. Let's see how the dry goods section works out. Looks really good. Now I just have to write what kind of pasta they're in these containers. Today I'm organizing these items. As you can see, I have a lot of different items. Let's see how it goes. I decided to put the non-perishable items on this section of the pantry. So let's see how it works out. Turned out pretty good. Now let's move on to the snack section. I bought these iDesign containers from Costco. Try to have a stack of these cookies on hand. My mom loves to eat these, especially the gluten-free ginger snap-ons. Quick tips: storing potatoes in baskets like this will provide good ventilation and they will last longer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share.